Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're traveling to the vibrant city of New Orleans, Louisiana, to explore the story behind its famous nickname, the Big Easy. But why is New Orleans called the Big Easy? What makes this city so unique? And how did it earn such a laid-back and fun-loving reputation? Let's find out. New Orleans is known for its lively music, delicious cuisine, and rich cultural history. But the nickname the Big Easy has an interesting origin. The most widely accepted theory is that the name was popularized in the 1970s by a local newspaper columnist, Betty Gillard. She used the term the Big Easy to describe the relaxed and carefree lifestyle of the city, where life moved at a slower pace compared to the hustle and bustle of cities like New York, famously known as the Big Apple. Another theory suggests that the nickname dates back even further to the early 20th century, when New Orleans was a haven for jazz musicians. During that time, musicians found it easy to get gigs and perform at various clubs and venues across the city. The ease with which they could find work and express their creativity contributed to the city's reputation as the Big Easy. New Orleans is also famous for its unique blend of cultures, influenced by French, Spanish, African, and Caribbean traditions. This cultural melting pot is reflected in the city's music, food, and architecture. From the lively sounds of jazz and blues to the mouth-watering flavors of Creole and Cajun cuisine, New Orleans offers a sensory experience like no other. One of the city's most famous events is Mardi Gras, a festival known for its colorful parades, lively street parties, and festive atmosphere. Mardi Gras embodies the spirit of the Big Easy, where people come together to celebrate life, music, and culture. But there's more to New Orleans than just fun and entertainment. The city has a deep and complex history, having survived natural disasters, social changes, and economic challenges. Through it all, New Orleans has maintained its resilient spirit and warm hospitality, making it a place where everyone feels welcome. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why New Orleans is affectionately known as the Big Easy and why it continues to captivate visitors with its charm, culture, and vibrant energy. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.